Hello everyone, T-Zilla. Welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I am back again on YouTube, and today I have a figure to review. It's the Playmates Scylla from Godzilla x Kong: The New Empire, and I finally have a Scylla in my collection. Now this is a figure that I have been anticipating for a long time. I have been wanting to add a Scylla figure in my collection. I've been wanting a Scylla figure for a very long time. A lot of people have gotten their hands already on Scylla. I've gone to my local Target several times to look for it, but unfortunately my local Target didn't have it on stock, and I was pretty bummed out. The only one they had on stock was Playmates Rodan, but I wasn't interested in Rodan. The only one I was interested in was this one. And now she is finally here, at long last. My hunt for this figure is over. Now before I take her out, let's quickly take a look at her box that she's in. It's just a basic box. I have showed you guys this box before. Godzilla involved, Kong, Mothra, the Iron Dragon, and King Ghidorah. Same artwork. Here's the figure up close. Here's a picture of the monster. Her name, Godzilla x Kong: The New Empire, the movie that she appeared in. Fully posable and articulated. Back of the box. Here's the back of the box. Here's the picture of the figure. And some advertisements. And right here, Scylla. Scylla strikes with crushing claws and lightning, fast moves, armed and ready for ambush. This deadly titan feeds on the falling and leaves only bones behind. So that's the box. Now let's take this giant spider, half cephalopod, out of its box. Here she is out of the box. Now we can go into detail. Detail on the figure is really nice. I like how Playmates sculpted the tentacles on her face. She's got that squid-like tentacles right there, as you can see. Got her eyes. And her cephalopod body right there is nicely sculpted and nicely detailed. Spider legs are nicely detailed. More crab-like. Got all that crustaceous all over her body. Legs. Underside. And paint job looks really nice. I like the orange. I do love the orange that they painted all over her body. And I like the underside. I like that yellow. And I like how the face is painted. Got some purple on the top of her head. And right there. Looks really nice. Not much to say. Not really much to say. All I can say is paint job and detail is really nice on the figure. Yeah, looks really nice. I'm very impressed. Articulation, this thing is very movable. You can move the head. It can go all the way around. Same with the spider legs. They can also move. You can fold them like this. Like that. Or you can spread them out. For me, I like to spread them out like this. So that's articulation. Now we can go on to size comparison. First off, for comparison, here he is next to Godzilla. As you can see, they do scale pretty well with each other. This is how they were in Godzilla x Kong: The New Empire. So sizing here is nicely captured. Let's try Godzilla Evolved. This time the real feel version. Again, nicely captured. Next, Kong. Scar King. Tiamat. Skullcrawler. Drown Viper. Mechagodzilla. Shimo. And sizing's not 100% accurate. Shimo needs to be much larger than T-Zilla because she is a big monster, so she should be about this big maybe. So yeah. King Ghidorah. And again, sizing's really off. King Ghidorah needs to be big. So yeah. Rodan. And for last, Mothra. That's my review for today. Detail looks good. Paint job looks good. Articulation, she's very movable. And sizing is pretty good. Figure's going to get a 10 out of 10. It's a pretty cool figure and I'm really happy to have it. I have gone to my local Target a couple of times looking for her. I just haven't had any luck. But now, at long last, I finally have her. And if you're looking for a Titanic Scylla to add into your collection, I really do hope you find one at your local Target. I recommend her to you if you really like this figure. So that's my review for today. Thank you all so much for watching my content. You all are awesome. I really do appreciate it. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, and comment down below. Happy Friday to you all, and I will see you all in the next video. See ya!